friends. In this video we will create a letter animation with new stretched effect for letters animation in Photoshop. As you can see on my preview animation, its final result. Cool. Other effects you can view on my official website, Sreda.com. There are all animated effects. Just hover over image to see which animation will be applied to your letters. A lot of cool animations. Okay, let's start to create with new stretched effect. Let's see what we have inside of this group. We have intro animation and outro animation of these letters. Hide my group. Let's delete it. First of all, be sure that you have created a video timeline with 30 frame rate per second. I have 5 separated letters in different layers. For this, select all letters you want to animate. Just select from the drop-down menu Stretched Effect. Set duration in frames. In my case, I want to use 16 frames. Select any length you want. How many lines will be animated for each letters? Minimum 2 and maximum 5. I will be used by default 3 lines. After all, select direction and I want to apply to right side. Okay, click right, and you can see I have 3 lines and I need to wait a little bit while my plugin create animation for each letter. It's much more easy and quickly if you will create manually by yourself. Cool. I just created 5 letters animation. Let's check. Cool. A little bit later I will add some offset for these layers, but for now I want to create my outro animation at the same direction to the right side. It's pretty simple effects, but very beauty and cool for some action designs. Finally, I have intro and outro animation. Let's check. Cool. Let's hide my basic letters, and I want to reduce my duration of these tracks. You can do it manually like this. Hit Out point of this track, but I have option. Just select in out, move in out time, select how many frames you want to reduce all these tracks. In my case, I want to reduce for 90 frames, and click move out. Cool. And finally, I want to add some offset, that each layer, each animation will start a little bit later. Select all layers, click on offset. I will use 3 frames, and from the top layer. What we need to do next, oops, and I have my intro animation from the first letter to the last letter. But if you want to change order, just select all layers, click offset -3, and select all layers again and add offset from the bottom layer. Add offset, and now my animation start from the last letter to the first letter. Cool. I think that this video will be very helpful for you for creating cool animation, cool animated letters for your creative design. Thanks for watching and enjoy.